In this video, we will discuss about the concept of shallow copy and deep copy. We had seen some ways to copy the data from one list to another in the previous video. Those three methods are called as shallow copy. They change the address of only the outer loop when copied, but the nested loop address is retained. It works only on the outer list and not on the inner list or nested list. Only the address of outer list is changed in the new list, however the inner list has the same address as previous. If any inner loop of a nested loop is modified, it still changes the original list. In case of nested lists, we should use deep copy method to copy one list to another list. Deep copy changes the address of both the inner and outer list. Means the target list will have a completely new address for each element, whether it's an outer list on an inner list. After a new list is created using deep copy method, then any changes done on the newly list, whether it is adding or modifying or deleting new element, will have no impact on the source list from where the copy was done previously. Let's check the difference between the shallow and deep copy methods. We will use the same program used in the list copy method in the last video. Let's remove the extra copy methods and just keep the one copy method to test it on nested lists. Now let's add an inner list at index 4 with 3 elements as 1, 2, and 3. Copy.copy method is used to copy the list A elements into list B. When executed, we can see that both the lists have different memory address, and the character F is only appended in list B and not in list A. Now let's try to modify an element of the nested list B. List B dot with index number 4 in square brackets dot append method with number as 44 in parenthesis. This means that we want to append the number 44 in the inner list. The append method adds the elements to the end of the list. When executed, we can see that the memory location for both the outer lists are different, but the value 44 has been appended in both the list A and list B, even though we have appended the number 44 only in the list B. This is called as a shallow copy, and it is applicable to all the copy methods we had discussed in the previous video related to copying a list into another list. Shallow copy only changes the memory address of the outer list, but for the inner list the memory address doesn't get changed. We should use the shallow copy method only if we are not using any inner or nested loop while copying a list. To resolve this issue where the copy involves the inner list, we should use the deep copy method. It is used as list B equals copy.deep copy with list A in parenthesis. When executed, we can see that the memory location for both the list is still different. And also the value 44 has been appended only in list B and not in list A. This is called as a deep copy method, which assigns a new memory address to both the inner and outer list when copied.